We live in an evolving, intelligent world with increasing challenges, socially, structurally, and environmentally. Do you want to know how the Milestone community is helping cities around the world use video technology to increase safety, profitability, and to make cities cleaner and more intelligent? At Smart City Expo, we will show how video can help your teams respond faster and more effectively when incidents occur, how to help to create a safer environment for citizens through the use of intelligent energy and waste management, and how we can help you reduce pollution and traffic jams and even support your carbon footprint goals.
Hi, I'm Christian Ringler from Milestone Systems. Milestone is a global leader in video surveillance, and we are very excited to exhibit this year the first time ever on Smart City Expo in Barcelona. We will show you how video can support you to building up a much more cleaner and safer city and a much more intelligent city around the world. Come and have a coffee with our team and let's discuss how we can support you on building up an intelligent solution for your city. See you at Smart City Expo.